Ftime and strptime behavior. Datetime and time objects all support a strftime format method to create a string representing the time under the control of an explicit format string. Conversely, the datetime.strptime class method creates a datetime object from a string representing a date and time and a corresponding format string. The table below provides a high-level comparison of strftime versus strptime. strftime, strptime. Usage: convert object to a string according to a given format. Parses a string into a datetime object given a corresponding format. Type of method: instance method, class method. Method of datetime time, datetime. Signature: strftime format, strptime date underscore string, comma format. strftime and strptime format codes. These methods accept format codes that can be used to parse and format dates. Datetime.strptime. Let's use the example. strftime, strptime. strftime, strptime. Comma example. Let's do date time. Import date time. Print date time dot date. Let's print. It will output. Syntax date time. Miss. Okay, this word missing. Let's run it. It's like this. And underscore. Okay. The following is a list of all the format codes that the 1989C standard requires, and these work on all platforms with a standard C implementation. Directive meaning example no. Percentage A weekday as locals abbreviated name Sunday, Monday, Saturday, en underscore us SOMOSA Denmark. Percentage A weekday as locals full name Sunday, Monday, Saturday, Sonntag, Montag, Samstag. Percentage W weekday as a decimal number where 0 is Sunday and 6 is Saturday, 0 to 6. Percentage D day of the month as a 0 padded decimal number. Percentage B month as locals abbreviated name Jan, Feb, Dak. Percentage capital B month as locals full name January, February, December. Percentage M month as 0 padded decimal number 01, 02, 12. Percentage Y year without a century as a 0 padded decimal number 01, 02, 02, 99. Percentage Y year with century as a decimal number 001, 0002, 9999. Percentage as hour 24-hour clock as 0 padded decimal number 00223. Percentage capital I hour 12-hour clock as a 0 padded decimal number 01212. Percentage P locals equivalent of either AM or PM AM, PM, EN underscore US. Percentage M minute as a 0 padded decimal number 002 F9. Percentage as second as a 0 padded decimal number 002 F9 59. Percentage F microsecond as a decimal number 0 padded to 6 digits 0000 999999. Percentage Z UTC offset in the form plus minus HHMM SS FFF. Empty string if the objective is name empty plus 000 minus 0400 plus 1030 plus 063415 minus this dot 3452. Percentage Z time zone name empty string if the object is name empty UTC GMT. Percentage J day of the year as a 0 padded decimal number 001366. Percentage U week number of the year Sunday as the first day of the week as a 0 padded decimal number. All days in a new year preceding the first Sunday are considered to be in week 0 0053. Percentage W, week number of the year. Monday as the first day of the week. As a zero padded decimal number, all days in a new year preceding the first Monday are considered to be in week 0. 000153. Percentage C, locals appropriate date and time representation. Tuesday, August 16, 21 colon 30 colon 00 1988 ENS. Percentage X, locals appropriate date representation. 08 slash 16 slash 18 non 08 16 1988. Percentage X, locals appropriate time representation. 21 30 00. Percentage or literal percent character. Several additional directives not required by the C89 standard are included for convenience. These parameters all correspond to ISO 8601 date values. Percentage capital G, ISO 8601 year with century representing the year that contains the greater part of the ISO week. Percentage V, 0001999. Percentage U, ISO 8601 weekday as a decimal number where 1 is Monday, 1 to 7. Percentage capital V, ISO 8601 week as a decimal number with Monday as the first day of the week. Week 01 is the week containing Jan 4. Percentage colon Z, UTC offset in the form plus minus HH colon MM optional colon SS dot optional FFF empty string if the object is naive. These may not be available on all platforms when used with the strftime method. The ISO 8601 year and ISO 8601 week directives are not interchangeable with the year and week number directive. Calling strptime with incomplete or ambiguous ISO 8601 directives will raise a value error. The full set of format codes supported varies across platforms. Support varies across platform because Python calls the platform C libraries strftime function and platform variations are common. To see the full set of format codes supported on your platform, consult the strftime documentation. There are also differences between platforms in handling of unsupported format specifiers. Technical detail. Broadly speaking, d.strftime fmt acts like the time modules time.strftime fmt d.timetable, although not all objects support a timetable method. For the datetime.strptime class method, the default value is 1900 minus 01 minus 01 t 0000000.00. Any components not specified in the format string will be pulled from the default value. Using datetime.strptime, date string comma format is equivalent to datetime pointer time.strptime date string comma format 0 to 6, except when the format includes sub-second components or time zone offset information, which are supported in datetime.strptime but are discarded by time.strptime. For time objects, the format codes for year, month, and day should not be used as time objects have no such values. If they are used anyway, 1900 is substituted for the year and 1 for the month and day. For date objects, the format codecs for hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds should not be used as date objects have no such values. If they are used anyway, 0 is substituted for them. For the same reason, handling of format strings containing Unicode code points that can't be represented in the char set of the current locale is also platform dependent. On some platforms, such code points are preserved intact in the output, while on others, strftime may raise Unicode error or return an empty string instead. Notes: because the format depends on the current locale, care should be taken when making assumption about the output value. Field ordering will vary. For example, month slash day slash year versus day slash month slash year, and the output may contain non-ASCII characters. strptime method can parse years in full 129999 range, but years less than 1000 must be zero filled to 4 digit with 3. When used with when used with strptime method, the percentage p directive only affects the output hour field if the percentage I directive is used to parse the hour. Unlike the time module, the datetime module does not support leap seconds. When used with the strptime method, the percentage f directive accepts from 1 to 6 digits and 0 bits on the right. Percentage f is an extension to the set of format characters in the C standard, but implemented separately in datetime objects and therefore always available. For a naive object, the percentage z, percentage colon z, and percentage capital Z format codes are replaced by empty strings. For an aware object, percentage dash z UTC offset is transformed into a string of the form plus minus HHMM optional SS optional dot FFFFFF, where HH is a two-digit string giving the number of UTC offset hours, MM is a two-digit string giving the number of UTC offset minutes, SS is a two-digit string giving the number of UTC offset seconds, and FFFFFF is a six-digit string giving the number of UTC offset microseconds. The FFFFFF part is omitted when the offset is a whole number of seconds, and both the FFFFFF and SS part is omitted when the offset is a whole number of minutes. For example, if UTC offset returns time delta hours is equal to minus 3 minutes is equal to minus 30, percentage z is replaced with a string minus 0330. Percentage colon z behaves exactly as percentage z but has a colon separator added between hours, minutes, and seconds. Percentage capital Z in strftime, percentage Z is replaced by an empty string if tzname returns none. Otherwise, percentage Z is replaced by the returned value, which must be string. strptime only accepts certain values for percentage Z. Any value in time.tzname for your machine's local, the hard-coded values UTC and GMT. So someone living in Japan may have JST, UTC and GMT as valid values, but probably not EST. It will raise value error for invalid values. When used with the strptime method, percentage U and percentage W are only used in calculations when the day of the week and the calendar year percentage Y are specified. Similar to percentage U and percentage W, percentage V is only used in calculations when the day of the week and the ISO year percentage D are specified in a strptime format string. Also note that percentage capital G and percentage capital Y are not interchangeable. When used with the strptime method, the leading 0 is optional for formats percentage D, percentage M, percentage capital H, percentage capital I, percentage M, percentage S, percentage J, percentage capital U, percentage capital W, and percentage V. Format percentage Y does require a leading 0. If that is, we ignore the effects of relativity. This matches the definition of the proleptic Gregorian calendar in Dershowitz and Reingold's book Calendarial Calculation, where it's the base calendar for all computations. See the book for algorithms for converting between proleptic Gregorian ordinals and many other calendar systems. See R.H. Van Chant's Guide to Mathematics of the ISO 8601 calendar for good explanation. Passing datetime.strptime Feb 29 percentage B and percentage D will fail since 1900 is not a leap year. Thank you.